Welcome. If you're watching this video, probably you must have heard of the word WordPress. You must have been trying to think and figure out what is this WordPress all about. And I'm sure you're doing that because you are someone that wants to start your journey into creating your first website for a business or for your brand. So if that is your motive, I advise you stick around and watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video you have a full knowledge of what a WordPress is and how it really works. If you are new to our channel, this is Webplug Video, where we post website design training videos, where we post search engine training videos, where we post online and content marketing videos and make money online niche. So if you're someone interested in these topics, hit the subscribe button below and then turn on the subscription bell. What this is gonna do for you is whenever we release any video, you will be among the first to be notified. So stick around, watch this video as we go right into my system and I show you what is a WordPress and how it actually works. What is WordPress? Simply put, WordPress is a web publishing software used to create websites in the internet world. You can make use of WordPress to create any kind of website in the internet. And guess what? WordPress powers about 35% of the internet. That is, a lot of people make use of WordPress to develop their website. And initially, WordPress was created for blogging alone, but due to the advancements in technology and the trend of things, WordPress grew to become something. This software grew to become something that you can now use it to publish any sort of website in the internet world today. WordPress is also called Content Management System, that is the CMS, and it is called the Content Management System because it is a computer software used to manage the creation of digital content. Digital content, like we have documents, we have pictures, we have movies, and then we have a whole lot of stuff that it is used to publish in the internet world. WordPress has been in use for over 18 years now. That should be two or three. It has been in use for over 18 years, close to 19 years now. And for all these years, WordPress has never failed. And a lot of website designers and web developers make use of it. And since its creation, which is WordPress, it has become the most popular used web publishing software in the internet today. Prior to this, I said WordPress powers about 35% of the internet today, which means a lot of people and a lot of websites, they are being created using this WordPress software. And guess what? WordPress is totally free. It is a free software. Because of what? It is free because it is an open source software. And this open source software means that there are a lot of web engineers out there working on it on a daily basis and managing what and how WordPress functions. WordPress is so beautiful because it is a software that allows you to make use of a whole lot of up to 11,000 templates and plugins to help the functionality of your website. Let me take you to something. This is why WordPress is so beautiful and why I would recommend you to make use of WordPress. WordPress has 1,000 plugins you can use to increase and boost the functionality of your website. You know, plugins are things you add. I won't explain that in details in this video. There is a video I will make after this to teach you more on what is a plugin, how to install a plugin, and then whatever. But it won't be in this video. So, but this WordPress allows you and gives you free access to a whole lot of plugins that you can use to increase and boost the functionality of your WordPress website. Not only that, we also have themes. Not only that, WordPress allows and gives you access to thousands of templates which you can select and then redesign your website into whatever look. So these are templates and themes that you can import for free into your backend and then begin to create your website. Prior knowledge of what a WordPress is, let us now go to how does WordPress work, how it really works. Before the creation of WordPress, which is the most popularly used website publishing software, the ancient way of creating websites was the use of codes. They made use of codes to create websites, the HTML and the PHP. So what this does is, after the creation of these codes, the PHP, the HTML, the CSS, when your website is inputted into the browser interprets this code and then brings out the same template you like, those themes that you are going to import freely on WordPress. What this code will now do, they will now be transformed and interpreted by the web browser, and then you have a beautiful look just like any website out there. Well, WordPress do this same thing of interpreting codes, but it's just that WordPress had made it easy for anyone to build a website without the knowledge of code. Yeah, that's really nice. WordPress gave a whole lot of people and beginners access to create websites without knowledge of HTML, CSS and PHP, like building these codes. WordPress reduced that stress of writing codes. So this, what WordPress does is, whenever you import these codes or whenever you increase and intensify any text or any color, these codes are being changed automatically instead of you being the one to go back to the back end and then write the code of any color you change. In our next video, I'll be walking you through what a WordPress.com website is used for and then what a WordPress.org website is used for. Either of them, which one should you go for? Thank you guys for watching this video. In the comment below, I would be happy and glad to receive your questions. Is there anything you're trying to figure out on what a WordPress is and how it really works? Go to the comment below, make your comments. I'll be right there to give you the answer to your satisfaction. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you're new to our channel or this is the first time you're seeing our video, please do us this favor by clicking the red subscription button below this video and then turning on the subscription bell, because turning on the subscription bell makes you be the first to receive the message whenever we post a new video tutorial like this.